श्रीमती झरना दास वैद्य।
Thank you, sir. The Child Labour Provision and Regulation Amendment Bill 2012. We strongly oppose the legalized child labor in family enterprise. This is a retrograde measure which legalizes the exploitation of the labor of children below the age of 14. To suggest that poverty and the social fabric of India justify the use of child labor is to punish children to their poverty. Government's economic reforms promote outsourcing. Many developed industries farm outwork to contractors who further farm outwork to families who work round the clock of exploitative rates. This is in addition to other trades such as beeri making, agarbettis, carpet weaving, etc., where children are forced to work. Since it is impossible to regulate family enterprise, such an amendment will open the floodgates for the rampant use of child labor. Coming as it does in the wake of the severe cuts in the budgetary allocation for children development, the proposed amendment exposes the careless approach of this government to children's rights. The employment survey of 2013 and 14, volume 1, shows that only 52.5% of the people above the age of 15 years are in the labor market, and of them, a majority of 51% of men and 49.2% of women workers are self-employed. About 29.3% of men and 36.5% of women are casual workers. Of the casual workers, only 42.9% of the workers get 12 months of work, whereas more than half of casual workers and at least one-fourth of the self-employed workers do not get more than 6 months of employment. In this situation, the legalization of child labor will only worsen the situation because it will induce the employment of children in place of able-bodied adult workers. Hence, it will create conditions for augmenting unemployment and increasing the labor reserve, which will further depress wages. We are opposing the bill as we have many concerns. A household enterprise is nothing but an exit road to allow children to work. Also, there is need for rehabilitation of adolescent workers. The International Labour Organization ILO too had said that the clause need to be further debated. The proviso is very crucial, is not only education but also health and welfare of children is important. But it is a clause that should be further debated. How do you monitor it? So the child labor law has to be set in the context. The amendments to the Child Labor Act can also be seen as a part of this exercise, and its implication for the labor market are yet to be poverty analyzed. No regulation but complete ban. According to the reply by the Ministry in a question on 14th March 2016, the main workers in the age group 5 to 14 years as per census 2011, total 43 lakhs 53,247, and UP has witnessed that increase its child level by 13%, with 1 out of 5 in India belonging to the state, 8,69,301. Interestingly, more than half of working children in India are concentrated in 5 states: Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra. These states account for more than 55 lakh child workers. Do you feel the provisions on hazards child labor have been diluted in this amendment bill 2012? We
Please
demand
conclude.
total eradication of child labor up to 18 years of age. No more regulation of child labor is required. It should be prohibited totally up to the age of 18 years. We want the provision of time-bound rehabilitation of the child laborers incorporated in the Act.
Thank you.
We are against
Thank you, madam.
allowing children to work outside school's hours or in aid of the family or in home-based work. Our demand is a ban on any form of child labor, anywhere and at any point of time.
Thank you.